I'm expecting something different every single day. Anywhere from fire danger to winter mix middle part of the week. So pay close attention. That WFAA app is going to come in handy, especially when we're talking about a week like this. So fire danger, that's in place today, and it will be through Monday. It has to do with the high winds as well as the warm weather and our dormant vegetation. Severe storms will then be possible Monday evening into the overnight hours. After that, it gets cold on Tuesday. Throughout the day, our temperatures drop, and then we're talking about the potential for winter mix Wednesday into Thursday. So you know what I'm talking about now. Every single day, we're talking about something different. I want to show you, though, our high temperatures the next several days. 81 degrees on Monday, big difference from today of 68. So much warmer, even with added cloud cover, and that has to do with a strong south wind that's going to help feed in moisture from the Gulf. So you'll notice a little more of that cloud cover. You may even notice slightly higher humidity by Monday afternoon. 74 degrees on Tuesday. That happens in the middle of the day, which happens around mid, and then temperatures will then drop through the afternoon. We are talking highs in the 30s on Wednesday, 40s Thursday, Friday, and on Saturday. Let's get you caught up on the severe weather threat. On Tuesday, very early in the morning, we have this cold front swinging through. And as that's happening, we have that threat for strong storms. That's why we're calling this Monday evening into Tuesday morning the potential for severe weather. A slight risk exists anywhere from the Metroplex towards the Red River. This is what it'll look like through the day Monday. So most of the day Monday, it's cloudy. We get these thunderstorms that develop west of our area. This is then going to get pushed into our area thanks to that cold front. So we'll notice these thunderstorms moving in across much of North Texas, mostly north of Interstate 20. A few of these storms could contain some hail and the potential for some strong winds. That front then swings through the area Tuesday, and that Arctic air sinks in. Let's talk about that cold front. Not only is it dropping our temperatures through the afternoon, but it's also going to coincide with another disturbance coming in, and that's going to lead us to the potential of some wintry mix. This is what it's looking right now, Wednesday into Thursday. Most likely, we'll see the winter mix from Sherman, Denton, Mineral Wells to the north and west. The Metroplex, this is where we could see a combination of rain transitioning to freezing rain and maybe even some sleet. South and east, Canton, Mineola, Corsicana to the south and east is where we're just talking cold rain. Here's a look at your time cast. So through very early on Wednesday, it's going to remain mostly dry. And most of the day Wednesday, this precipitation is going to be very light. But it looks like we start to get a mix around midday across the Decatur, Denton, Gainesville area to the north and west. South of that is where we see the rain. We do get kind of a lull, a break in this moisture Wednesday around 10 to midnight, but it does return through the day Thursday. And it looks like that line where we see a mix does dip a bit further into the Metroplex. At least that's what some models are indicating. Here's where we'll likely see the impacts. Anywhere from Denton, Sherman, Mineral Wells to the north and west, the Metroplex could see some minor impacts from this. And again, this will be Wednesday into Thursday. So like I said, changes every single day here in the next 5 to 6 days. Be sure to stick with us right here on WFAA. We'll keep you updated every single day.